In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to make certificates for your staff, for your students, and for any kind of event that you have organized and you want to reward participants or someone within your network that has achieved something. Okay, so you can prepare your certificate within Microsoft Word and share it with them very easily. You can print it and you can share the soft copy in PDF or in the Word version. So all you need to do to start is to open a new file. You can come to file over here and you can come to new, and you can see a bunch of templates over here of different kind of things. But for today, we're going to concentrate on certificates. Okay, so you can come over here and you can search for certificates, right? And you can see a bunch of templates that you can customize to your liking, and you can easily use it as a certificate that you can share with your friends or with your colleagues. You can check around to see so many of them, right, that involve different kind of things. Anyone you like, you can customize, you can select and customize it to your liking. So let's say we are going with this, and you can see a preview of this. Okay, you can click to create and you can have it over here, and you're free to change the components, for example the major elements. If you want, you can double click to change the component. For example, you can double click to change this coloration from the existing color to any color. The shape fill, you can change it to any color of your choice. You can see we are changing it accordingly, right? So you're free to change it to any color of your choice, right? And I think this golden color kind of looks fantastic on it. So you can change on anyone. Just double click on the part and you can just be able to change it. You can put your company logo over here if you want. So you can see, first of all, you start by looking at what kind of certificate is this. So this certificate of achievement, right? This acknowledges that the recipient's name has successfully completed the maybe program or something, right? So you can put the content, and then you can put this is the month, day, and year, and you put the signature by who. All right, so let's say this is certificate of acknowledgement, not achievement. So you're free to double click and replace it with something. Let's say certificate of acknowledgement, right? So you're free to replace it, and you can see you can make it like this, certificate of acknowledgement. You can change this to acknowledge that this acknowledges that you can put the name of the person. So for example, I say Dr. Rashid has successfully completed the program pathway in presentation mastery, right? And you can put the date, month, and year over here. You just put maybe today, the 31st of December 2021. So you can put the signature. You can bring in signature if you want, or you can just write. So let's say in my own case I want to draw. So let's say in my own case I want to draw, so I need to delete this, then I can draw over here, right? So I can come all the way to draw, and you can select which pen. So let's say I'm going with this pen and I want to draw like this, and let's say I have it signed. Okay, you can put your company logo over here if you want. If you don't want, you can easily delete it. All right, so I finished. So I've come back to my mouse cursor and I can delete this if I want. So I don't want to put my company logo, I can easily delete it if I so wish. And at this point you can see the certificate is complete. So certificate of acknowledgement, this acknowledges that this person has successfully completed pathways in presentation mastery, and then this is the date and this is the signature. All right, so you're free to customize, you're free to bring in your logo if you want, you're free to put in another thing also if you want. So for example, I want to put in something maybe like a badge that can signify really that this is a certificate. Okay, so let me try to bring in something like an image. So you can come to insert over here and you can go to pictures, and you can insert from this device, and you can navigate to the location, and we can see it over here. We can just insert it over here and you can bring it. You can specify the position, you can put it in front of text, and you can see very easily you can move it to any location of your choice. Okay, you can reduce the sizing and you can put it over here, and I think this kind of makes it looks cool and fantastic. Okay, so this is just a bit on how to make certificates. All right, If you want to export this, you can export it in PDF, or you can export it in JPEG, or in picture format, or in PNG. So all you need to do is to come to file over here, and you can come to export, and you can say export as PDF, and you can see the format PDF. You just specify the location you want to save it, and then you give it a name, and you publish, and then it is saved. You can see a preview of it. Right, this is a preview of the certificate that you have. Okay, let's just zoom it out and you can see it completely. This is a preview of the certificate that you've just created. And then you specify the file format. All right, so this is just a bit on how to create a certificate using a PDF, using Microsoft Word. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.